flashlight.
What's it like in the dark?
I'm a flashlight.
You have a flashlight right now, but what is the dark like?
Scary.
It's scary. What else? You don't like to walk around in the dark?
No.
How come?
'Cause dark.
Dark and
Spooky.
spooky?
Yeah.
What is it? Say it again.
Spooky.
Spooky?
Yeah.
Are there monsters?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there is the monster.
There's a monster over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I can.
He can't get you? Is he spooky? Say spooky.
I'm going to get him.
Say spooky.
Smokey.
Smooky?
I'm going to get that monster.
Say it again.
Smokey.
Smooky?
Yeah.
Thanks, bug. I love you.
Let's get him.